What's going on, guys? It's Justin here, back for another Summit Racing product feature. Now, if you guys haven't seen our 20-volt lithium-ion tool line yet, we have some great tools in it, like drills, drivers, saws. We even have a radio and an air compressor. And if you haven't, head over to the Summit Racing YouTube channel and check out some of the product features on those. And make sure to hit that subscribe button so you're never missing out what we're posting, because it's always something fun. Now, back to the cordless tools. So I said we have a lot of different cordless tools, and we wanted to give you guys one that is good and strong. So we have this 800 foot-pound cordless 20-volt impact. This thing has a 1/2-inch anvil with an all-metal front construction for durability. Now, it also has some LEDs built into the front, so you don't have to worry about working in the dark. You're always in a well-lit area because it brings its own light. Now, the other cool feature of this tool is it has 3 different adjustable speeds and a variable trigger, so you can dial it in. Now, this thing has over 800 foot-pounds of tightening torque and 1100 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. So if you're pulling off stubborn lug nuts, balancer bolts, anything like that, this thing is going to treat you well. Now, the other cool part about this tool is it works best with our 6 amp hour or 7.5 amp hour batteries, and they're available in a couple different ways. You can get the tool only if you're expanding your Summit Racing cordless tool line. You can get the tool battery, or you can get the tool battery and charger if you're just starting out. The thing about this is it pairs perfectly with our 9-piece impact socket set. Now, the cool part about this set is it comes with non-marring sockets. So what I mean non-marring is if you look at the sockets over here, they have a plastic sleeve around them that allows the socket not to touch your wheel, so you don't have to worry about scratching nice polished wheels, nice black wheels. It protects the surface. It also has a plastic sleeve in the end, so you don't have to worry about messing up the face of the lug nut either. All this stuff is available at summitracing.com right now. And like I said before, we have a ton of different tools in our 20-volt lithium-ion cordless line, like drills, drivers, impacts now, saws, a radio, an air blower, and even a tire compressor. So no matter if you're just getting into cordless tools or you're expanding your Summit Racing line, we're always coming out with new stuff, and it'll keep your toolbox stacked with the latest cordless tools from Summit Racing. And the coolest part about cordless tools is the freedom. This thing stores wherever, so you can put it in the truck, in the toolbox, in the trailer, and always have an impact on the go with you, no matter what you're doing. So if you're interested in this stuff, head over to summitracing.com or one of our 4 retail store locations. And if you're not sure exactly where you want to start or what you need, call into our customer service line and the folks over there will be able to get you taken care of. So until next time, my name's Justin with Summit Racing, and the golden question is, what are you working on?